Perfect.
Welcome to the show. This is AndreJMcClendon. How are you guys? Now, this video is going to be about SilverGoldBull.com, and I'm going to be going over it. So, for new subscribers and new viewers, please subscribe and continue watching more. This channel is all about business, money, and investing, and all the education thrown into it. So let's go into it, right? All right, guys. Now let's go through the website. So Silver Gold Bull, what I like about this website is that you can buy it in foreign currencies, and that's what really attracted my attention to it initially. And so they have a very big selection of buying gold and silver. You can look at bars, silver bars, gold bars, platinum bars. I don't see palladium on here, but we'll definitely check it out to see if they do have palladium. If not, it's fine. It's not a big deal. There's a bunch of other bars. They have the sunshine bars. I like them a lot. It's one of my normal buys. The Johnson Matty bars and the sunshine bars I do buy a lot. So let's click on one right here. Let's click on the sunshine bar. Cool beans. All right, cool. So when look at right now, it has the same wire transfer, Bitcoin. You get a discount the more you buy, and your credit card and PayPal. So the more you buy, the bigger the discount you get, and how you buy, the discount you get. So another thing, what I like about this, they do have a storage. So if you want to store, if you don't want to hold all your silver, gold, you can open a storage account. And I did get an email from them asking what the rates are. So basically, the rates are anything less than $37,500. It's $25 a month. It's 100% allocated. So the silver you buy on the website, get it stored. If you want to ship back to your house or ship back to your home, that's the silver that you will get, which I like about it. They have a storage unit in Singapore, United States, Canada, and oh man, audited and secured. So this also is with BRINKS. I'm sorry, yeah, with BRINKS. And if you look at the history of BRINKS, these companies, BRINKS, Citadel, these companies are rock solid, and you don't have to worry about your silver being stolen. What I like, and they also, when you store to them in their storage unit, if the market, let's say the silver is at $19.09, they say the market goes to $100 for silver per ounce, you can sell that silver back. That is something I like a lot. Other deals that they have, so you guys can look up here to find deals. Just like other websites, they can have numismatic, they have collectibles. So I have those in other videos you can watch. I will link them in I will link them below. They will be in the playlist. So please check those out. But also, what I like about this website is that when you have an issue or a problem, contacting them is super simple and very easy, very, very fast. Getting an email and getting an email from them. I'm back about that, about how to start another account, what are their guarantees, stuff like that, such and such. Made it a whole lot easier for me. So it just makes it a little bit better. They also have jewelry. That's really cool. I am not a fan of buying jewelry, but if you are, you can. The one thing that's really cool about it, that you can wear as much jewelry as you want to in the airport. Go through with $100,000, $300,000, and it's crazy. Though I'm gonna ask any questions, but this is pretty nice. So this is a Silver Gold Bull. I will link it into the description below. But so far, I've been buying from this website for about a month now, and no issues. Very easy to set up orders, doing online orders to getting it stored with BRINKS. Very easy. So I recommend this out of this site. There's APMEX, there's APMEX, JM Bullion, Providence Metals. This one, Silver Gold Bull. You got Gold Money. You got Silver, GoldSilver.com with Mike Maloney. And those are the ones that I primarily use now. So if you guys like what you see, please check out the website. And like, subscribe, share. We'll start the conversation. And thank you to making it to the end of the video. And you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.